This thing arrived in a few days via FedEx. It was super easy to put together. It has a lot of extra pillows and cushions. So you might be wondering the same question that I was wondering. How the heck do they do this at this price? Hey, it's Alex with Couch.com, and if you know me, you know that I love a good deal. So when I found this couch and this chair from the new brand OHWILL, I couldn't believe it and I had to see it for myself. So let me set the scene. I'm here at my girlfriend's house. That's not the actual Hollywood sign. We were looking for a white couch and a white chair to fit this perfect corner where there are these beautiful windows, but we had to do it under $1,000 and we had to make it good for kids and for pets. We needed something that was white, but also incredibly stain resistant. And I found the perfect couch and the perfect chair to fit all of our criteria. This is a brand that most people haven't heard of. It's called OHWILL. This couch itself doesn't have a name. It's called the 84-inch sofa. And you know, there's something I like about that because it shows their focus was on creating a fantastic product at a really, really good value. This sofa is under $500. The pair together is $889 currently. So in that category, you're quite limited and usually you don't get nearly the amount of features that you get with this. So you might be wondering the same question that I was wondering. How the heck do they do this at this price? Well, there's something fundamentally different about OHWILL than there is with many other sofa brands out there in that they're vertically integrated. They own and operate all parts of the operation, from the production, manufacturing, to the shipping. You're getting an extra good value because they've cut out all the fluff and all the frills. Again, the sofa doesn't even have a name. Pro, this literally arrived faster than any furniture I've ever personally ordered. You place your order, and within a few days, some boxes arrive outside your house via FedEx. Now, on the con side, for some people, you have to put it together. For me, this was extremely easy to put together.
Excuse me? I built this couch.
Okay, I have to come clean. Sorry, babe. She's right. She built the couch. I helped as much as I could. The point is, we got it together very, very quickly. The next thing on the pros list is the removable slipcovers. Now, this is a fantastic feature of any couch that offers it, and it is quite rare. To be able to take something off, throw it in the washing machine, and put it back as new, fantastic. On the con side, with anything that you put in the washing machine, like all of my shirts, they end up being a little bit wrinkly and can require a little bit of elbow grease to get them to look a little bit more crisp and clean. It can be done, but it does require an iron or a steamer or something like this. Another thing on the pros list is that the couch is extremely easy to move around and maneuver if you need to move apartments, move homes, or even just pick it up so you can vacuum underneath it. These couches aren't made of solid oak. That being said, on the con side, they're not made of solid oak, so they may be a little bit more susceptible if they're under heavier use. Side note, keep your kids from jumping on it as much as you can. One of the pros of this couch is it has this slipcover design with this fabric that goes all the way to the floor. You have a hot date, they're coming over, you have a messy room, pick up the couch, throw everything underneath, and hide it. The con, I think, is quite obvious. You can end up with a lot of stuff underneath your couch. The next thing I want to point out is the seat depth. This couch is a little bit deeper than some other couches out there, so it's something to consider. It has this very sort of lean back style, which is conducive to this. Now you can see I'm a 5'11" man wearing Hanes socks, and I can easily curl up in the corner of this couch. Now, if I wanted to have my feet on the floor, it comes with these lumbar pillows. It reduces the seat depth by about 3 or 4 inches. And now I can sit with my feet on the floor, still with sort of this lean back style. If I want to sit more upright, I can put another cushion here, which I probably would like to do. And now I have a very upright style. What I like about this couch is the versatility of it. It has a lot of different sitting options. Now, something that a lot of people ask when we do couch reviews is, how nappable is it? One of the things that I like the best, which is this, because oftentimes people will put their heads on the armrest, and that is quite uncomfortable, as I will now demonstrate. Having this pillow here allows me to have that bed-like feel. And as mostly a 6-foot man, okay, fine, 5'11", I can fit extremely comfortably lying down. So all in all, I raise a glass to OHWILL. They found a way to make a great looking, very functional, high quality sofa set for under $1,000 delivered to people's doors in just a few days. I think it might be the perfect sofa for the price. And now I'm gonna sit back and relax and enjoy my drink knowing that if I were to spill it, which I never do, that it would be okay because this sofa is extremely cleanable and resilient and we can just throw it in the washing machine. So cheers to you. Are you you buying a new couch and want the inside scoop? Subscribe to our channel below so you don't miss any of the info that you need to know.